Welcome to our vlog. I am Crystal Jade Bendoy together with Roxanne Carmona, and today we're exploring the amazing patterns hidden all around us in nature. For our Mathematics in Modern World subject, we're diving into the natural world to find and showcase some incredible patterns. Get ready to see our nature in a whole new way. What is symmetry? Symmetry means that one part of something is a mirror image of another part. There are different kinds, like the bilateral symmetry, where there's a left and right side, and radial symmetry, where parts radiate from a central point. Symmetry helps with balance and stability. So what is spiral? A spiral is a curve that winds around a central point, getting progressively farther away as it revolves. Spirals are super common because they're an efficient way to grow and conserve energy. What are tessellation? A tessellation is a pattern made up of repeating shapes that fit together without any gaps or overlaps. It's like a puzzle where all the pieces interlock perfectly.